How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Emerald. In the last episode, we caught the Pokemon Nora, our Aron, and I trained everybody up to level 25. I doesn't mean to grind them, but I got bored, so I grinded up, and off screen I planted some berries, and I got these Slappa berries, and this Slappa. And this slapper tree is growing. Yes, let's water them 3 times sentiments, and let's plant another leppa berry and another orange berry. Okay, and let's plant some water. And yeah, and as you guys can see, I am at Rustboro City now because I want to do an important thing in Rustboro City, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, in the last episode we also took on Brawly, and we got some, and we also gave a letter to the Steven person. Okay, let's talk to Mr. Stone, and he'll give us the XP share. XP share could be useful in some places, so yeah, so that's one thing. And I already wasted 1 minute in this episode, and yeah, after I get also I want to do another thing. Okay, let me bring one more Pokemon from our party back. Okay, where it is? Okay, let's deposit one of our Pokemon. We'll deposit Amon for now in box 1, and withdraw Pokemon. Let's pick Linoone. Pick the Linoone because I want to pick up some items being for our Amon, being which is an item which can boost its move's power, and also because of pickup I got some repels and I got some rare candies, and let's use these repels, and I have some nuggets, and yeah. Okay, let's use cut, and I think there she is. There is a lady where she can give your Pokemon miracles. She can make your Pokemon miracle. She can make miracles happen to your Pokemon, and yeah. Okay, Mr. Briny, let's go. Okay, also I want to pick up one more item. Okay, let's talk to this fisherman. I think he is the fisherman I'm searching for. Okay, repellus effect wore off, and we got the old rod which we can fish up for a Magikarp. And let's go to Slateport City, guys. On to Slateport City, and I want to complete the story stuff in Slateport City before I will off-screen grind against the trainers, and also I got this soft sand. Okay, we are at Slateport City now, guys, and I think this is the place you want to go. Okay, let's talk to this man. Okay, Captain Stern. Okay, let's deposit our Pokemon. Okay, Linoone, you can go back. You can go back and withdraw our Amon, and I have those zigzagons for these are my pickup slaves. And let's give our miracle seed to Amon. Where is it? Okay, give Amon. Also, the items our Pokemon are holding here, you can find them out. Those are orange berries which I gave them for healing up, and we haven't waited out one time, and we got TM46 Thief, which is a special attack in this gen, so our special attackers can benefit from that, mainly our Amon. And let's talk to this man, and we go Ethan versus these guys. Finger attack, rough skin, and okay, there is another Pokemon Grant. Let's defeat this giant. And also I'm bringing back Glazed Season 2, and yeah, I'm working on that. Currently I'm grinding our Pokemon up to level 40, everybody. So yeah, and Okay. Okay, Scout. Freak off. Freaking Scout. Scout, can you just F off? And I want some soda pops for my Pokemon. So let's take on these guys. Go, wing attack. Go, wing attack. Huge power Marill is broken. Go, wing attack. I always forgot that Azumarill is a Gen 2 Pokemon. I don't know why I forgot that. And Justin is at level 26 now. And okay, let's talk to this man. And we got soda pops. I'll sell them because I don't need them. And may have a Marsh Stomp. Okay, let's put Amon at first. I'm gonna off-screen grind against some Pokemon. Mosquitoes are biting me. Real YouTube is biting mosquitoes. And May. Okay, I don't wanna do double battles. Let's go for Fake Out and Absorb. Also, in this gen, every priority move has same level of priority, so that's why its Quick Attack went first. If you are wondering. Okay, why are we getting paralyzed? Come on! Your Absorb is Miracle Seed boosted. I'll see you guys when I heal up our freaking Pokemon. Okay guys, I healed up and let's quickly traverse through this place. And a mine and I don't need you because I don't need you. And let's run away from... I can't escape. And... Okay, here we go. Ithano says Pokemon Trainer May. Okay, May open up with her own Pokemon. Let's go for Furious Vibes. She's going for Astonish. Nature Power turned into Swift. And Amon grew to level 26. And Amon doesn't have any... Why did I went for that move? Roku! Go! And she'll go for Much Shot, which will lower her speed as Absorb. And we defeated May. The hardest rival battle went down like a silly battle. Okay guys, we are at Trick House now. And yeah, Trickmaster. Also I brought back Linoone because we need cut for this place. And Shizuka is at first now. And let's use cut. I want to get every kind of rare candies because rare candies can help us for a future teammate which evolves at a very high of a level. And I know you all know what that Pokemon is. I used already 2 pseudo legendaries for our team. I never used Gen 3 pseudo, and you will know what that pseudo is. Yes, you guessed it. That is Metagross. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna use Salamence, the Glamis, and we got the scroll. We got it, boys. Let's use cut. We got an orange mail. Oh, I remember another thing. Okay, these trainers. Okay, let's quickly defeat these trainers. Zigzagoon, Linoone, and when I'm grinding, one teleport really helped us. Okay, we got a rare candy. Now we have 4 rare candies. I'm gonna save those rare candies, guys, because they are very helpful. And we are okay. And it will be updated every gym. And I'm gonna off screen battle the trainers I skipped. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Emerald. Peace out.